The video shows a person unboxing a blue portable speaker. They turn it on, and the 𝐒𝐤𝐥 logo lights up with a colorful glow. They then demonstrate the speaker's connectivity by pairing it with a phone and playing music. The video also shows the different ports and buttons on the speaker. The person turns the speaker off and on again to show the light feature. The video shows a man in a kitchen talking about kitchen organization. He highlights the importance of using space efficiently. He installs a storage rack above the sink, which is designed to be durable and hold various bottles and jars. He places different sauces, spices, and other seasonings on the shelves. He mentions that the video shows a line of small, portable sewing machines on the ground. A person demonstrates how to use one of the machines by sewing a piece of denim fabric. They guide the fabric through the machine, and the needle stitches a seam. The video highlights the machine's small size and ease of use. The video shows a person unboxing a large cardboard box containing several rectangular packages of tissues. They take one package out to show its floral design. They then hang the package on a hook on the wall. They demonstrate the ease of pulling a tissue out and show a single sheet, highlighting its thickness and softness by folding it and holding it up to the light. The video shows a woman holding a large, round, metal tray with two handles. She demonstrates its size and durability by showing the front and back of the tray. She also talks about the tray's material and features, highlighting that it is easy to clean and can be used for various purposes. Front and back of the tray. She also talks about the tray's material and features, highlighting that it is easy to clean and can be used for various purposes. The video features a woman showcasing a dachshund-shaped toothbrush holder. She holds it up, showing its design, then places it on her bathroom counter near the sink. She puts a tube of toothpaste and several toothbrushes into the designated slots on the holder's back, filling it completely. This video shows a person in a kitchen and bathroom using a removable wall-mounted plastic basket. In the kitchen, they take garlic and ginger out of two baskets attached to the wall. They then clean the counter and put the baskets back.
Multi-use home essentials. These products are designed to make your life easier with their versatility and practical features. First, the high-quality floor mat is a great addition to any home. Made from a durable, wear-resistant material, it's perfect for high-traffic areas like the bathroom entrance. It boasts excellent water absorption and is incredibly non-slip, staying firmly in place. Cleaning is a breeze. A simple rinse is all it takes, and it can even be stuck to a wall to air dry. Next, we have the automatic chalk line, a handy tool for various projects. It features a one-touch button for easy retraction and runs on just 2 batteries. The separate, well-sealed ink chambers ensure a leak-free experience, making it a reliable tool for everyone from woodworkers to masons and plumbers. The versatile flashlight is more than just a light source. It uses imported bulbs to cast a powerful beam that can reach hundreds of meters, and you can adjust the brightness.
Washing dishes much easier. I just press it, and the detergent comes out. It can be operated by brushing the dishes to half and pressing them to make them, and making the bottle sticky. So you can use the detergent and replace it with this press. It won't fall, whether it's a rag, a washing bowl, a steel ball, or a brush. It's easy, and it's easy to wash. Just the lid and water. Don't worry about water. You can also easily collect a sponge after it's really worth a try.
Do you need for your messy washroom shampoo dispenser bottles? This is only for 𝐒𝐤𝐢. It is adhesive dispenser where 𝐒𝐤𝐢 wants stuck it. Works very smoothly, drop by drop and how much you need used it. It save money and space, 𝐒𝐤𝐝 your wash.
Sisters, look, I finally found this that can hold up 6 people. Before, the inner clothes were piled up in and couldn't be found to wear. Now this 6-finger hook is simply amazing. There are 6 little hooks. Whether it's an inner clothes strap or a hat bag, it's clear which you want to wear. The wardrobe instantly fell from a pile into a high-end cloakroom. Default text.
Large storage bins with lid and wheels feature a stackable and foldable design. Simply collapse all 4 sides into a flat panel for easy store when not in use. No tools required. Assembles quickly and hassle-free setup.
Whose little banana hasn't grown up yet and is working? Green is forbidden to be anxious. Don't be by his cute appearance. Do think he's just a cute sticker fact. Every banana is an edible seal. You can the fridge and take you. There can't be chips and snacks. Just pinch a banana and it will be fresh and fresh. When you don't just take back, you're afraid of losing it. Having it really can improve the happiness of
Corner shower caddy. Stainless steel bathroom shelf storage organizer 2. Pack silver. Only for 90-degree corner is stainless steel, rust-resistant and durable for years of use. Decorate your bathroom perfectly at the same time.
Garlic's so good, it's about garlic. You use garlic and chili to make dipping sauce or cold sauce. You also make oil-based garlic and make your own decisions. You don't need to use it. It's a pity. You can use it for rice dumplings or for a baby's diet food. Carrots and various vegetables. You can do the glass. Even with hot oil, it won't burst. It's easy and you have time. It's high quality and practical.
This is a broom and dustpan set for the little ones, shaped like a yellow duck. The kids will learn how to clean while they play with it.
The toothbrush rack is designed very well. Just suck it up to the wall and it will be firmly fixed. The toothbrush rack can be hung on it, so that there is no water supply and for different colors of toothbrushes. This makes it us to distinguish. The shelf can also hold toothpaste, washing milk, tissue, comb, and family laundry items.
We have never used it to peel melon since when I sent this knife, you said that it could peel the bamboo shoots and the winter melon. You would pay for this time. Let me show you such a big winter melon. It's not hard, and it only covers the skin and doesn't eat the flesh. Whether it's peeling the fruit or peeling the potatoes, it's all brushed and thin and even. It's not too convenient.
In the realm of studying and organization, a new hero has emerged. The transparent sticky note. Forget the old-fashioned paper squares that cover up your precious text and fall off at the slightest breeze. This innovative new product is a game changer. Imagine you're deep in your studies, a textbook open before you. You come across a crucial passage, a key formula, or a complex diagram. Instead of scribbling in the margins or covering the text with an opaque note,
赶紧来薅优真悬挂抽纸的大羊毛！现在这个价到手10大题，这我还买啥杂牌纸啊？精美的郁金香包装，不管挂哪里都好看。它可不是那种小包的，每包都特别瓷实，一包都可抵好几包用了。悬挂式的，用一张抽一张，超方便。原生木浆纸，纸张柔软亲肤，韧性十足，不管怎么揉搓也不掉毛絮，不含荧光剂，4层加厚的，湿水也不易破，像条小湿巾一样。趁优惠赶紧多囤点。